Alright, I took out the spark plug and tested the connection with the metal part right here, and it made a spark. And then I took out the spark plug, put it here with the connector on it, and it made a spark. And then I put it all back together, went ahead and started it back up, and the first time it made a sound that it looked like it was gonna start, and then made that sound again. And then the second time it actually started for about a second, and then it made a clanking sound and shut off. And now every time I start it, it makes this sound. You can see that wheel is not moving. Looks like it's jammed. But it sounds like the noise is coming from right there.